Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a cute and comfortable sweater for these summer months that doesn't make you feel like you're suffocating to death? Let me show you this one. I love this sweater. There's so many things I want to tell you about it. I think my favorite thing is how versatile it is. I can dress it up or dress it down. It's also just perfect on chilly mornings when you just need something lightweight to cover your shoulders to sit there and enjoy your coffee. So I do love that about it. I love that it's soft, it's lightweight, it's comfortable, and you can wear it with anything. It's casual and it's dressy. It comes in a lot of different sizes and colors. I am kind of a bigger girl, so this is an extra large and it fits me perfect. It's not too tight around my arms or around my waist. It just fits perfectly, drapes over my chest, and I love it. It's also very durable, which is nice when you have kids. They're clawing at you all the time. It's got ribbed sleeves so that you know that this isn't going to fray, it's not going to fall apart, and it's going to outlast anything you put it through. So this sweater is perfect and versatile. It goes with everything, and I don't ever think I'm going to take it off. But that's just my point of view.